This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's a joy to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to read some melodies that use the lower notes of the guitar that are found in first position, the natural notes. So in the last video, I introduced the E, F, and G notes that are found on the low 6th string. And we read through some exercises that focus on helping us learn those notes. We also played some melodies that use those notes and some of the other low notes that we've learned on the guitar on the higher strings. So here in this video, we're going to continue with that, reading some melodies that use the lower notes, especially the notes on the bass strings of the guitar. It's going to be great. The bass strings of the guitar being the 4th, 5th, and 6th string of the guitar. So we're really focusing on these lower notes right now and reading melodies that use some of the ledger lines. So it's going to be super fun. This video does accompany lesson 7 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method books. So in the method book, we're going to be reading the melodies on pages 39 and 40, starting with number 7. So we're going to do 7 through 10, 7, 8, 9, and 10. They're on pages 39 and 40, which will help us learn these lower notes. It's going to be great. Each one of these will happen at 2 different tempos, a slower tempo and a faster tempo. So you can start with the slower tempo and then work up to the faster tempo. As you're playing through, if you're tripping over certain parts, even at the slower tempo, you're going to want to pause the video and work through that part. Sometimes these ledger lines are really challenging for us, seeing the difference between each one of the notes and where they sit with the ledger lines. So it can be helpful to you to just go through and even say the names of the notes without playing in them, and then try playing them. You can play them while saying them as well. But it's going to be great. Let's go ahead. We'll play these melodies together, you, me, and the band. So let's do it. Okay, I hope you're having fun with this. As we continue, in the next video, we're going to play the rest of the melodies that are there in Lesson 7 of the book. It's going to be awesome. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.